got an idea. You should come on out and take a look at this trailer. It's a cutie. It's a short one and it's a nice one. It's only 15 feet. So let me tell you quickly about it. It's got an electric tongue jack. We've got this fiberglass cap. Your propane bottles are all tucked away. It's got a great big awning on it. It goes all the way down the RV, over the door, which is nice. A big storage compartment out here. A place to place a TV if you want to watch TV outside. Remember, this is only 17 feet. But when you get in here, when you actually get in here and take a look at it, see this table, it's all solid surface. It breaks down, you have a lovely bed. You can take this out of here, now you have a wraparound sofa. And this is comfortable. There's a lot of padding in here. They have a nice refrigerator, solid surface countertops, a 2-burner stove and microwave, lots of storage, lots of drawers here. And then they got a little bathroom here. I'm gonna have them poke in here. That's a nice shower. It's got a shower door on it. I like that idea. Look at this. Isn't that a good idea? That keeps the water right there in the tub. You never have to fiddle around with it anymore. This is a medicine cabinet. Of course, you got a vent and lights and other things like that. This is just a 17-foot trailer. It's a nice unit. It also has this closet back here. But you can get 4 or 5 people in here to shoot the bull, play some cards, have some fun, make a nice bed for yourself in the evening, be perfectly comfortable with the amenities. So I got an idea. It's an I-15 idea. And actually, I took this unit in on trade, and the people that had it took a beautiful, they loved it. They took very, very good care of it. So I'm gonna invite you to come on out here and talk to me. I'm Barbara D at Guaranty RV, and my telephone number is 541-521-4232. Hey guys, call me. Thank you.